see you everywhere. Can't get far enough away from you. Can't get far enough away from you. The secrets we have shared. Can't get far enough away from you. Can't get far enough away from you. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. This song was requested and this is by Trapt. This is Far Enough Away From You. If you guys have other songs that you would like to learn next, let me know in the comments, whether they're punk or country or rock. Okay, those are pretty much the genres I stick to. I don't do like a whole lot of jazz and stuff, sorry. But anyway, yeah, so and also please hit like and subscribe so you can get notified when I come out with new tutorials. And I just really appreciate it when you guys hit like and comment and stuff. So thank you for doing that, and please continue to do it, okay? So I am doing this in standard tuning, so it will sound a little bit different than what you are doing it in. So it's actually in a half step down. So that's like how it's played on the album and stuff. So it's a very easy song to play. There's only 3 chords in the whole thing. I'm going to show you those in the strumming pattern. Let me know if you guys like this style over how I do it in the other videos where I tell you like where to play the chords and stuff. But I'm going to show you to start, okay? So you're going to do G. Okay, then you're going to do Cadd9. So you just take the pinky off, leave the ring finger on, middle finger on the 3rd fret on the A string, and your pointer finger goes on the 2nd fret on the D string, okay? All right, and then you're also going to use D. I'm muting the big E string, okay? And then you're going to go back to Cadd9. So that's how you play it. That's actually just the chord progression for the chorus. But I'm going to show you guys. So the verse is very easy. Okay, so you're just going to go down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. You're just doing G, Cadd9, back and forth for the whole verse. Now the pre-chorus is different, but this is how you do it for the verse. Okay, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. I wanna be held only from a distance. See, so I'm singing it a half step higher because I'm in standard tuning, but yours will be a half step down. That's how you play it, okay? So then when you go to the pre-chorus, you're gonna go to D. You're doing the same strumming pattern as you did for the verse. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Then Cadd9. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, you're just gonna do D, Cadd9, back and forth. Okay, you're gonna do it like twice, and then you're gonna go into the chorus, which is I see you everywhere. Okay, and so for that you're just gonna go down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. Okay, just like that. So you're doing G, Cadd9, D, Cadd9. I see you everywhere. Can't get far enough away from you. Can't get far enough away from you. Okay, then you're just going to repeat it. So you do G, Cadd9, D, Cadd9, and then you repeat that. You can do it twice. And that's it. It's not hard to play. It's very easy. Let me know if you guys have any questions in the comments. Oh, I'm sorry, I just can't tune. Like, I'm sorry, it's in different tuning. I just can't tune my guitar a half step down just for one song. I have another guitar back at home, but I'm traveling right now, so I apologize for that. But let me know if you guys have any questions or anything in the comments. Remember, it's a half step down, and I'm just playing it in standard. But you can still do that. It just won't sound quite the same when you play it for people. So anyway, yeah, or you can just keep your guitar in half step down always, and you can put a capo on the 1st fret when you want to do it in standard. I don't like doing that, but that's an option for you. Anyway, let me know if you guys have any questions or anything. Thanks, it's been fun. I'll see you next time.